Today I will be teaching you how to make a crispy edges cornbread. You have already seen some videos like from the Cooking Foodie cornbread recipe, from Preppy Kitchen another cornbread recipe, and the most viral one is moist and sweet cornbread using Jiffy Mix. But today you will learn the easiest and perfect way to cook a cornbread. So, let's begin. First, preheat your oven almost 350 to 400 degrees. Here is a pro tip: put a cast iron skillet in the oven to heat up. It will help the bread to have nice crispy edges. Now let's come to the ingredients. We have some butter, eggs, milk and some sugar. We will start by opening up the butter. Now let's add some sugar, then breaking some eggs. After that, get yourself a whisk and start mixing. Pour some milk into the bowl and take corn, flour and dry ingredients in other bowl for mixing. At this moment, start adding all the dry ingredients in the big bowl little by little and keep on whisking. Put out the cast iron skillet from before and drop a tablespoon of butter. Let it melt all the edges evenly. Pour it in and put it in the oven. Look if any side didn't get enough heat. Check it, make sure it comes out clean. Turn off the oven and take out the cast iron. Look how crispy it is on the edges. Here's a bonus tip: add some butter at the top for shining. Why not like this video and subscribe to my channel? You can ask me anything in the comments.